Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you how you guys can fix the error. The code execution cannot proceed because Steam API 64.dll was not found. It typically means that the Steam application or a game using Steam has an issue with a missing or corrupted Steam API 64.dll file. No worries, you can fix this by performing simple and easy steps, like verifying your game files. To do that, open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game giving the error, and select Properties. Click the Local Files tab, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files, and replace the Steam API 64.d. If verifying the files doesn't work, uninstall the game, restart your PC, and then reinstall it from Steam. This should replace any missing or corrupted files, including Steam API 64. Or the last step you can follow to fix this error is by simply reinstalling the Steam app.